Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Klarna on Shein. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this tutorial right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Klarna website like I'm on here, and if we go in the top left corner where it says shop, we just want to go down to Klarna shops, and then in the search bar we just type in Shein. Now when you type that in, you will see this result here, and we just click on that and it will open up the Shein website in a different page. So what you can do from here is just browse or search for whatever items you want and just add them into your cart and begin to check out. So let's just say I wanted to buy this. I would choose the size and then add it to cart, and then we can click view cart, and as you can see down here we accept, and one of the options is Klarna. So we can click checkout now, and then we can fill out all of our details, and then when we get to the payment method we can actually choose Klarna and we can get free interest-free payments. So we can choose this, and then we will have to obviously fill out all our other details, and then when we are ready we can click continue to payment, and then from there we will be taken to Klarna, and then you'll just have to pay like you normally will with Klarna. And then after you've done that, it will be completed. So after that, you will actually have to make the payment. They do give you 3 months. So it's 3 monthly installs with no interest. And then you can just slowly pay that back and you can get your item without having to pay for it on the day. So that is exactly how you can use Klarna on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.